Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz SR. Now of course this car is finished in midnight blue beam. As you can see, you get full LED headlights and you get your 4 front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. Then coming around to the rear, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've also, in the tailgate, got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. Then coming back out and around, we've also just showing you the rear alloy just here. Inside, we've got the part cloth grey and part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got 4 electric windows all around. Then coming inside the car, you have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've got your economy mode just here, your CVT gearbox. Then we've got your climate control as well, which you can see just there. We've got a nice little bit of additional storage on the left. In the middle, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free. We've also got all your various audio sources as well. Now of course, this car doesn't come with satellite navigation built into the display, but you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and that will then enable the navigation. Coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, voice assistant, track select, then we've got your return button, your bezel in the middle and the home button. They do control the onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've got 4 automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 5,910 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.